Psalms 35, keep us alive. Professor, na 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 na. Listen quietly, hear the words that I say. Still gotta pray. Every night before I sleep, I take a little glance at the window. And when I close my eyes and lay under the sheets, I can hear your voice when the wind blows. And I can call on you when I need you. You're by my side, I can tell, I can feel you. I wonder why I still can't see your face. But with my heart and all my faith, I move mountains 'cause you're my miracle. And with these words, to you I pray, you're my guidelight and you're my hero. And I can call on you when I need you. You're by my side, I can tell, I can feel you. I wonder why I still can't see your face. Let me off this pain. That's why I say my prayer to you. You're my shelter in the rain. And dear God, I send a message to you. That's why I'ma pray, 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 pray. Yeah, I'ma pray, 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 pray. I'ma pray, 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 pray. Yeah, to you. If I should die before I wake, my soul will be safe in your temple. And it ain't no lie, 'cause you're so great. When you speak, you make the whole world tremble. And I'll be soaring on the wings of your angels, sending your message of love with Gabriel in the skies. And I give you thanks for your good grace. And even though this world is cruel, I still follow your divine example. And when obstacles come in my way, I never fail 'cause you're the handle. When I can call on you when I need you. You're by my side, I can tell, I can feel you. I wonder why